Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this fresh move filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To get this filter on Instagram, you can visit the creator profile. Baker's Delight is the creator of this filter. You can follow Baker's Delight to unlock this filter to your Instagram camera tray. So check in the filter gallery and this is the filter, fresh moves. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try the filter. And suppose you are not finding the filter like this, what you can do, let me go back. You can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. And likewise also you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.